We live in a world governed by invisible forces. The shock from a doorknob, the flash of lightning, the very technology in your hands, all are driven by the same fundamental principle: electric charge. At its heart, it's simple. Matter has this property, charge, which comes in two flavors, positive and negative. They follow one elegant rule: opposites attract and like charges repel. A positive charge will push another positive charge away, but it will pull a negative charge closer. This is the fundamental dance of the universe. But how strong is this push or pull? That's described by Coulomb's law. It tells us the force is stronger when the charges are bigger and gets dramatically weaker as they get farther apart. In fact, it follows a special relationship called the inverse square law. If you double the distance between two charges, the force between them drops to just 1/4 of its original strength. This idea of a force acting at a distance led to a more powerful concept, the electric field. A charged particle doesn't just magically pull on another one across empty space. Instead, it creates a field, an invisible region of influence that surrounds it. Any other charge that enters this field feels a force, guiding its motion. We visualize these fields with lines of force. They're arrows that point away from positive charges and flow towards negative ones, mapping out the direction of the electric force at any point in space. Where the lines are dense, the field is strong. Where they are sparse, it is weak. This framework, from simple charges to the forces between them to the fields they create, isn't just a textbook concept. It's the engine of our modern world. It explains the chemistry that holds molecules together and powers the technology that connects us all. It is the invisible architecture of reality.